Let's take a few minutes to talk about the anatomy of a tire. When looking at the construction of a tire, there are three major elements: the casing or carcass, the belt system, and the tread area. The casing or carcass is made up of two components, the liner and the bead, which work together to help give a tire its form and strength. The liner helps cover the inside surface of the tire, holding the air inside, while the bead supports the lower sidewall, forcing the edge of the tire against the wheel rim when it is inflated, keeping it in place. The belt system contributes to the construction of the tire by offering strength and stability, and promotes good handling and tread life. Tires commonly consist of two types of belts, a steel belt or a nylon belt guard. The tread area is made up of three components: tread blocks, grooves, and sipes. Together, they help provide features such as removal of water, mud, and snow. They also help with traction and handling, as well as heat dissipation. While providing many functions, it is the blocks that help create contact on the road and help transmit the driver's input to the tires. A larger or wider tread will utilize more tread blocks, which means more driver input. This results in increased performance. There are two types of grooves. Lateral grooves are major grooves molded across the tire. These grooves aid wet traction and increase the number of biting edges that enhance acceleration and braking traction on loose surfaces. Circumferential grooves are major grooves molded around the tire. These are the deepest grooves molded in a tread pattern and remain visible throughout the tire's life. Sipes are little slits found on the tread blocks which improve traction in icy and wet conditions. They expand to capture any water or snow, providing traction to the road surface. Siping has become an important design feature for tires, especially for winter tires, that help enhance traction and tire performance.